Hello and welcome to this V90 electric range test video. You are joining me in this model year 22.5 V90 T6 recharge. So this is the model year 22.5. In some markets it's called the extended range. It's the late production of the model year 22 that got the enhanced battery. So this is the 3-layer battery. Previous battery was on 11.6 kilowatt hours and this one are at 18.8. The usable capacity went up from 9.1 and to 14.9. The WLTP figures were 56 before and now it's 87 kilometers. So it's going to be really exciting to see if how far I managed to drive today. I started earlier in a garage with 100% and an estimation of 69 kilometers. I am down to, if you can see this, I'm down to 57 kilometers now. So that means I have used 12, but I have driven 16 kilometers. So I'm ahead of the estimation at least. I probably won't be hitting the 87. It has been dry roads until now. See, now they are damped. The temperature are 12 degrees and I have set the climate for 19 degrees. I'm running on Pirelli P0 20 inch 245/40 tires. And I will have a mix of driving conditions today. Both small roads with 40, 50 and 60 zones. And like this road with 70. And I will also have a stretch of highway later on with 80. I'm now heading into the city core for some city driving. Another thing that Volvo have improved for the late production of 22 are the brake functionality. Just gonna take this turn. I can try to show you over here. The brake functionality much stronger now than it was before, so I can't use it the same way as I'm doing in my V60. There you can tap it back and forward between B and D, and it will just gently break down the car. I will try to show you one more time. Just one more roundabout. So if we take this lane, okay, let's see if you can see the speed now. So if I'm building it up to 50, and I also try to look at this side here. So now I'm at 51, releasing the throttle pedal. See, just gently dropping speed. So if I get up to 50 again and then put it in B, you can see I'm instantly losing speed. Really strong brake function. Okay, no cars behind me for round 3, so 50, put it in B. You can see how strong the regen are. Actually creeping down to 7 kilometers per hour. Now I have to so you see a really strong regen braking. But now it's time to enter the city core and the red light districts. I've got a green wave for now. And you will join me later on, probably in the city core again, when I have completed my battery. I'm now down to 53 kilometers. And I will now enter the city, drive about there and exit and have a little loop out of the city again and onto a highway before coming back to the city. Or at least that's the plan, all depending on how my battery status are developing. So, let's see how this plays out. Hello and welcome back. My range are down to 0. The icon for the battery haven't changed yet to the petrol lamp, so I'm still on electricity. But this range estimation, if the camera are focusing, just went down from 1 and to 0, so it's probably just 100 meters or so left before it would shift over. So it's a great place to stop. We'll take a little look on the outside before revealing the results. So here's the alloys we've been running on, 20-inch, wrapped in Pirelli P0 245 40/20. Just look at this view with the cruise ship Hurtigruten in the background. It's the ship Otto Sverdrup. A really cool location that I like to end on these range tests. I try to time the distance so that I just make it. I came to this location here with like 2-3 kilometers, so I took a couple of laps around here, entering the parking lot with 1 kilometer and a few circles here before I saw the 0, and then I just parked it up here. So it has been a long, let's see what the time is, so 2:20. I started at 12 o'clock, so 2 hours and 20 minutes, all electric, in very huge variation in driving conditions. Crazy many red lights in the city core. Also had a little stretch on a highway. Pretty elegant and stylish wagon in this birch light. But now it's time for the results. So it's time to step in and check the odometer and screen for the consumption and distance. Let's see if we can zoom in and focusing. There we go. I will open up so you can see. And here's the distance, 75.8. So very good. I beat the estimated 69 at startup today. Managed to drive 75.8 kilometers. Well, that's very good. 2 hours, 22 minutes. Average speed are just ridiculously low because of all the red lights and stops. 34 kilometers per hour. You see I got no consumption at all. The climate has been set on 19 degrees. I haven't had the use for heated steering wheel, but if I had, I would have activated it. I always do my range test with climate on. So, and if the car has massage and such, and then I will use it. So there's not nothing to save there. I like to drive with comfort, so yeah, that was it. 76 kilometers almost. Slightly down from the 87 according to the WLTP. But either way, I'm very pleased with this new powertrain. T6 recharge all-wheel drive. 18.8 kilowatt hours battery. And the rear electric engine are on 145 horses. So pretty strong. Try not to fall over. Pretty strong electric engine. 145, 309 Newton meters. So I think it's time to end. Let's see if what's happening with my camera here. I think it's time to end it here. Thank you for watching, and maybe we will get a new range test already next week. I have challenged a buddy that has a V60 with this same engine, also the new 3-layer battery. So let's see. That was it for this time. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate every comment, every like, and if you also consider subscribing to my page. So we're ending in with this gorgeous view. Thank you. Bye bye.